Welcome to FirstWord Pharma's News Roundup for November 21st, brought to you today by editorial researcher Nina Whittle. In our top news story, Novartis has acquired Selexys Pharmaceuticals following results of the Phase 2 SUSTAIN study evaluating the experimental anti-P-selectin antibody CELG1 for the reduction of vaso-occlusive pain crises in patients with sickle cell disease. According to Novartis, terms of the deal could total up to $665 million in upfront acquisition and milestone payments. Also in the news, GlaxoSmithKline has submitted a marketing application to the FDA for its closed triple combination therapy for use in patients with chronic obstructive pulmonary disease. The combination therapy comprises the inhaled corticosteroid fluticasone fuorate, the long-acting muscarinic antagonist umeclidinium, and the long-acting beta-2 adrenergic agonist vilanterol, delivered once daily via GlaxoSmithKline's Ellipta dry powder inhaler. Dave Allen, head of respiratory R&D at GlaxoSmithKline, noted, "This first regulatory submission of our closed triple therapy brings us a step closer to providing a once-daily treatment in a single Ellipta inhaler as an alternative option for those patients who require multiple therapies." In June, the companies indicated that the therapy would likely be submitted for U.S. approval by the end of the year, ahead of a previously planned filing anticipated in the first half of 2018. And finally, Acorda Therapeutics disclosed that results from the mid-stage milestone trial did not show sufficient efficacy to support further development of Ampyra to improve post-stroke walking difficulties. Results from the trial showed that 14% of patients in the low-dose Ampyra group and 19% of those in the high-dose group achieved at least 20% improvement in the 2-minute walk test, compared with 13.5% for placebo. CEO Ron Cohen remarked, "The study indicated there was activity related to walking in people with post-stroke walking difficulties, as suggested by the prior Phase 2 study, but overall this was not sufficiently clinically meaningful." Cohen said, "We plan to focus R&D resources on developing our promising late-stage Parkinson's disease therapies, CVT-301 and tozadenant, as well as advancing our earlier-stage assets, CVT-427 in migraine, SYN-120 in Parkinson's disease dementia, and a remyelinating antibody in multiple sclerosis." To read these and other stories in full, please visit firstwordpharma.com.
Are you able to keep up with all the news and views in the biosimilars market? FirstWord's Biosimilar Index is the only dedicated biosimilar and non-comparable biologics intelligence tool available. Get ahead of your competition and learn more today.